In travel news for April 26, 2023, we talk about Carnival Cruise Line's new immersive experiences on board the Carnival Jubilee. But before we begin, I'm Brandon with the Adept Traveler, a travel agency that makes travel so easy, even a blind person can do it. And this is Today in Travel. Carnival Cruise Line has announced innovative features for its upcoming Excel-class ship, the 6,500-guest Carnival Jubilee, set to debut with two new immersive ocean-themed zones, the Currents and the Shores. The ship promises to enhance the cruising experience for travelers seeking unique adventures at sea. The Currents zone, located on Deck 6 and 7, will transport guests to an underwater world. Through the use of show lighting, sound design, and large LED faux windows, the area will simulate the sensation of being beneath the ocean surface. Passengers will be able to watch fish swim alongside the ship, while a wave-shaped LED ceiling displays various scenes and transitions from day to evening hues. In addition to the mesmerizing ambiance, the Currents zone will offer a variety of dining and entertainment options. Dr. Ink's PhD, a bar inspired by the octopus, will serve ocean-themed drinks, including color-changing cocktails and layered shots. The Golden Mermaid Lounge will provide gemstone and metal-inspired cocktails featuring edible glitter and decorative glassware, accompanied by live music performances. For seafood lovers, Emerald's Bistro 717 will offer an expanded raw bar serving dishes such as shrimp and grits, Creole boiled shrimp, fresh oysters, stone crab, lobster, and Emerald's signature jambalaya. The Shore Zone, situated on Deck 8, draws inspiration from seaside environments like piers, boardwalks, and beaches. The area boasts a 3-deck-high fish school art installation in its staircase, a Ferris wheel-inspired ceiling feature, and a casual seating area. Dining options include pizza, sandwiches, and hot dogs, while Rudy's Sea Grill and Cucina del Capitano provide indoor and al fresco seating options. The Carnival Jubilee will also introduce other new zones, such as the Gateway, designed to evoke the atmosphere of grand terminals. Launching on December 23rd, the ship will sail year-round from Galveston, Texas, offering week-long Western Caribbean cruises. It will be one of 3 ships operating year-round from the port until the Carnival Miracle begins home porting there in October of 2024. The Carnival Jubilee promises a truly immersive experience for travelers seeking ocean-themed adventures. With its innovative zones, diverse dining options, and entertainment offerings, the ship is set to elevate the cruise experience for passengers on their journeys through the Western Caribbean. Today in Travel is brought to you by the Adept Traveler, a travel agency that specializes in making travel easier for everyone. From the novice to the expert, from the able-bodied to the disabled, everybody deserves to travel well. Until next time, travel well, my friends.